Welcome to Derek Launch Reviews and Bonus YouTube channel. This is my Vidios review. Watch this video to the end as I will be sharing with you all the key features and benefits of Vidios and why you should grab a copy today. I provide you my honest internet marketing product reviews and where to buy at a discounted price. I also give you my massive bonuses worth over $7,891 when you buy the product through my affiliate link located below this video. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell to receive an alert anytime I release a new review video about the latest launching internet marketing product. Let's get started with today's review video. Looking to buy Vidios? Let me share with you the key benefits and features of Vidios and why I highly recommend you grab a copy of Vidios today. Before we get started, click on the link below this video to check out the bonuses you will receive when you buy Vidios through my affiliate link. Vidios.AI is a one-of-a-kind and intelligent solution for marketer businesses who use videos. Vidios enable you to tap into the fastest-growing video, e-learning and agency markets. It is the industry's first AI-enabled video technology that lets marketers host, play, sell and market videos intelligently and fast. Vidios.AI is a robust and proven solution of video hosting and marketing products, services powerfully. Why should you buy Vidios? There are plenty of features and countless benefits of using Vidios. I have listed below the key features and benefits for you. Host and play videos, any video, sales, demo, courses, training on any page WordPress, Shopify, HTML or built with any page builder, beautifully. Guaranteed faster than Vimeo, custom-built video processing and hybrid CDN system for lightning-fast speed. Intelligent video analytics to understand your viewers' behavior. AI-enabled video ads for your offers to get max engagement, sales, and profits. Have 100% control on your traffic, zero leakage with third-party ads. Create branded video player, playlist, and channels. Create and sell video courses with inbuilt membership builder. Accept payments through PayPal and Stripe with zero fees. Smart checkout links, directly receive payments from social media, emails and on any page. Selling on ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Seamless integration to deliver products on automation. Seamless integrations with 50+ autoresponders, webinars and CRM platforms. 128-bit SSL encryption for maximum security of your data and video files. Play videos on any website, landing page, online shop, membership site, and on any device. Create channels and playlists to keep your audience engaged with videos. Free hosting included, up to 250 gigabits bandwidth per month. Get an attractive video player with complete customization. HLS player optimized to work on all devices. Have 100% control of your traffic, no traffic leakage with unwanted related videos. Full feature drag and drop editor to edit AI-enabled ad templates. Seamless integration with top autoresponders. Upload unlimited sales, e-learning, training, client prospecting, or demo videos. Sell more products or services and get more customer satisfaction. Add videos in MP4 format and support HDR. Precise analytics to see how videos are performing. Over 50 more cool features to captivate your audience. The front-end price of Vidios is $47. Click the link below this video to visit the bonus page of Vidios and check out the one-time offers prices of Vidios. Thanks for watching my Vidios review video to the end. Click on the link below to check out the bonus page of Vidios, and once you make your order, all the bonuses you see on that page would be automatically delivered to you. For more internet marketing product reviews and bonuses, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive alert anytime I release a new internet marketing product review.